Stretch. Get my hat on. I need some coffee. Boop. Get my coffee mug. Nice, tasty coffee. Morning, sleepyhead. We can have some breakfast once I... Whoa! Catch a fish. Well, toss you back then. Let's have breakfast. Okay. Come here, boy. Sometime later. Hey, dude, do you want to go to the beach? Sure. Let's bring our boat. Okay. Get out of the bed to hook up the trailer. Boop. Off to the beach. Woohoo! Sometime later. I'll get in the boat and you lower the ramps. Okay. Lower the engine. Go get my life vest on. There we go. Hop on. Let's do this. Want some ice cream? Yeah. Nom 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 nom. Wow! We'll have 911, we crashed our boat into the lighthouse and sharks are attacking us. Please help. Alright, boys, let's do this. Move, 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 move. I'll be the helicopter pilot because the other guy called in sick, so I'll do it. Help us out! Thank you. Oh, yeah, there's a little drum. Wait, what is it doing? What? Okay then. What? Whoa. Oh, watch out! Thank you. Oh no, our boat sank. Wanna go get ice cream? Yeah. High five. thank you everybody for watching this stop motion video. I really hope you have enjoyed it. This was actually supposed to come out, before the horn battle. Check out my second channel, my friend's channel, and my previous major stop motion thing, which is a burger bar fire rescue. See ya.